What's up, guys? So today we are out here. It's been a while, I know, right? We're out here checking out Little Bradley, and we are using the new Lumix S5 2X, and we're going to see how it does today. It's been a little while since me and Thanos have gotten out and kind of done any filming. Been having a lot going on here lately. Especially with my grandma, but we're out here today, just enjoying nature. Gonna see what kind of shots we get and see how well this new camera does. So let's go check it out. So it's been a little bit since me and Thanos have been to Little Bradley. The last time we've been was like a little after Hurricane Helene, probably like back in, I want to say January or February or something like that. And we saw the damage it caused, and I posted a video about it then too. But we haven't been back since, I don't believe. And I also got the new Air 3S, so we're going to see what kind of shots we can get with it also, so that's going to be pretty dope. Thanos back there, he causing trouble, man. Sometimes it's so aggravating to bring him along, but I know I have to. Ooh, look at these. Come on, let's go. Come on. Since a lot of y'all know that I just got a house, and ooh, look at this. And since I moved in the house back in July, I hadn't really been able to get out much and do a whole lot of exposure, get a whole lot of hiking in or a lot of photography stuff in. Life's just been hectic here lately, which it is for everybody, you know. Everybody's got things going on. Ooh, hop down here. This is, there we go. But yeah, the house is going good. Me and Thanos really enjoy it. We actually got kind of a place to, like a home base to kind of work out of now. So that's really nice. So yeah, that's really, really nice. And just getting things set up, you know. Also, my grandma lives with me. I moved her in, and she's 91, so that's been a wild ride. But today we got a chance to get out and, like I said, enjoy the weather, because fall's coming. And who knows what's going to happen. When's the next time we're going to be able to get out. There's the massive landslide that it had on the trail. Pretty crazy, huh? You can definitely tell fall's coming. It's a cool air. Leaves are starting to change. I can't wait. Can't wait for fall here in North Carolina. It's going to be coming soon. Look, we're almost there. There's the little chimneys right there is what I call them. I don't know exactly what they were at one time, but I think maybe a house or something was over here. Something was going on. Hear that woodpecker too. So I just passed a couple. They said that there's nobody else at the waterfall right now. So yeah, I'm gonna have it all to myself, hopefully for a little bit, at least until I can fly this Air 3S and get some shots without nobody around here. That would be dope. That's always my plan. I always try to get here a little bit early before anybody else. I usually don't start hiking until this later on in the day, but I had some things to do this morning, and this was kind of like a last minute thing to get out and try, so we're going to try it today. So that was Little Bradley. Beautiful as always. Like I said before, it's my go-to waterfall. I live pretty close to it, so I end up going to it all the time. Got to test out the Air 3S. Awesome. Got some great shots with it. Looked really good. The Lumix S52X has done an awesome job. The only thing I kind of don't like about it is you can accidentally touch something and don't even know what you touch, and it changes like everything, and you got to go back and fix it. But other than that, like, really like it, love the quality. Like I said, I'm just using the kit lens right now. I've got to invest in a real lens for it, so maybe I'm looking at the Sigma, so see about that. But other than that, heading back to the car. I'm gonna head back to Bowling Springs, get something to eat, and see you later.